What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Today it's Basehead Nation video day. Gonna be working on the base car. About 2 videos ago I made a video about the car show. Well, while I was there I also did some testing. I wasn't loud enough, so I'm gonna try and search for some decibels that are still inside of the car, that I think are still inside of the car, and I'm gonna try to get them out. I'm gonna try and get this piece a little bit angled so the air doesn't get stuck in the corner, and maybe try to lengthen the port a little bit at the bottom here, which will help the air flow a lot better, I hope so, and which might gain me a few dBs. But first, let me set up a makeshift table. I will only be needing a small piece, so I got that laying around. Now I'm ready to take the measurements. So I already did a small test fit in the car. I think since it's only for testing purposes, I'm gonna mount it without angling it, so I can go further than a 45. I can only angle at the 45, not any further, and I'm gonna tape the rest up, which will be just enough for testing. And I'm gonna start with mounting the top piece. Well, of course, it's a bit ugly right now, but I think this will be taped, so that will get the job done. For the testing phase, well, after I tape it up at least, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So what I'm gonna do for the bottom, I got these 2x4s. I'm gonna mount them like that. I don't have any screws that are long enough, so I need to be drilling some holes in these 2x4s so I can put the machine in a bit deeper and screw them fast like that. In the middle here, I'm gonna try to find another solution to fill it up. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way to the side like that, but first I gotta drill myself some holes. I'm gonna start by just mounting these two first. The outer pieces will need to be cut to length, so the holes will be also drilled differently.
Warrior. Warrior.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
So in here I got everything taped up, also the roof. No cracks, no holes, nothing can be spotted. I took out the other pieces of the port, got them laying here. Gonna make a double for them, so I have two spares, and I'm gonna be rounding these or the spares really flared, so the air flows nice out. I'm gonna be taping it all up.
It's destiny, I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to touch me. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
So I even got my threaded rods taped up. The theory behind that is it causes some kind of turbulation with the threads and the air not moving nicely. I'm gonna go try and reach the back ones, which won't be easy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'll probably do that off camera because it's not going to be easy to put the camera up and film it while doing this. So I was able to reach the back ones. It wasn't easy, but was able to do it. I'm very curious about what it will help me. Well, the rounding of the port I'm gonna leave for a later day, just because I don't want to do it inside. It's raining outside, so I'm gonna wait a little bit with that. That will probably be coming in the next video. For now, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below on what you might want to see on this channel, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. For now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.